Hi everybody, welcome back for another quick tip to help you with your wedding planning. And today I want to talk to you about having children on your wedding day and keeping them occupied so they're not a big distraction of running around, causing chaos, setting things on fire. So let's get straight into today's tip of how you look after the children on your wedding day. So if you've got children at your wedding day, you don't want them to be a distraction, or you want to include them in the day itself, or you want families that have got children to feel comfortable on your wedding day. So if you do have children, you've got to think about what ages they're going to be, obviously, and then what you can do to occupy them. And if you have friends who have children and you don't want children at your wedding day is another aspect. And very quickly on this one, if it's your wedding day, I think that it's up to you to decide whether you want children there. You know the couples, you know how they're going to respond. But personally, as a guest, if I got an invite for a wedding and the children weren't invited, that's no worry for me. It'd be actually a nice time to have time off without children and a nice excuse to find a babysitter. So don't stress about not inviting children. And if you've got children of your own, perhaps have a little think about how you are going to keep them babysat during the day, because you want to spend that time together as a couple. So think about who's going to be looking after the kids, perhaps if you're getting your makeup done or getting ready. If you've got a venue which perhaps has conference facilities, usually they will have a projector or a screen or something like that. So you can perhaps have a dropout area where you can plug in a video, a DVD, or even a PlayStation, and then you've got a child dropout area. And the great thing about Disney DVDs is most children have seen them. They appeal to a majority of ages, and because they've seen them, they can drop in and out and see the bits they like, and then pop back into the breakfast room. And as always, I always recommend, if you want to take it that step further, go for a professional, get a professional in. So there's plenty of professional childminders that focus and concentrate on weddings, and by having a professional in there, then you know that there's someone that's qualified to do the job. They'll set up perhaps children's activities or a children's area, and they'll keep them occupied, particularly at those relevant times during the day, like the speeches or the ceremony, and they'll just be on hand to do that job, and they'll focus solely on doing that job, so you don't have to worry about it. So there's another quick tip for you. Hope it helps. I've also got a video that runs through all these stuff regarding children at your wedding, and I'll link that just up there. If it has been really helpful for you today, then please give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you very, very soon. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.